Hey, it's another day with May where I create healthy alternatives to your favorite foods. If you like what you see here, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It will help me grow and would really mean a lot to me. All right, let's get started. Today we are making a healthy version of hazelnut spread. All right, let's check out our ingredients. All right, first step, we're going to blend up our hazelnuts, but make sure that they have soaked in water for at least an hour, preferably overnight. The nice and softer they are, the less chunky your hazelnut spread will be and the smoother it'll be. So let's do that now. All right, so now it's a nice paste consistency. Now time to add in our liquids and our cocoa powder. So we're just gonna put that in one at a time and then blend it all up. And done. So there you have it, a really nice alternative to your favorite hazelnut spread. But first, let's give it a try. Perfect. It has that chocolatiness, but also has that nice hazelnut flavor like a Ferrero Rocher. All right, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and until next time, see you later.